In the dark studio, a clear glass bowl rests under soft blue light. Thick neon gel begins to pour, glowing slowly as it falls. The gel spreads across the base, forming a smooth, luminous layer. Transparent liquid flows in, gently layering over neon glow. Two glowing layers settle, blending softly without rushing. The surface begins to rotate, slow, hypnotic motion forming inside. Tiny bubbles appear, shimmering beneath the glowing light. A faint mist rises above, floating softly into the darkness. A soap-coated cloth slides carefully across the rim. A thin, transparent film stretches across the opening. The delicate surface vibrates, barely holding its tension. Pressure builds beneath, pushing upward against the film. A bubble begins to rise, glowing from within. It expands slowly, smooth and perfectly rounded. The camera circles gently, revealing neon reflections. Inside the bubble, mist swirls in soft spirals. The glowing sphere grows larger, steady and balanced. Blue light glides across its curved surface. The neon mist inside shifts, flowing like liquid air. Closer now, the surface looks glossy and alive. The bubble continues expanding, silent tension building. Green and blue reflections move across the film. A ripple travels softly across the glowing surface. It glows like a floating neon orb in darkness. The sphere stretches further, thinner with each second. From above, the mist swirls in circular motion. A halo of light forms around its edges. The surface tension tightens, nearly transparent. It breathes outward slowly, almost weightless. Neon reflections slide gently across the curve. Tiny texture details shimmer under ultraviolet glow. The glowing bubble dominates the dark space. A gloved hand enters slowly from the side. The finger moves closer, careful and steady. The moment pauses just before contact. A gentle touch meets the glowing surface. The bubble collapses inward, folding softly. A crisp pop releases the trapped neon mist. The glowing cloud spills onto the table. It spreads outward, flowing like liquid fog. The mist glides across the reflective surface. A slow hand movement creates gentle waves. The glowing fog rolls off the table edge. Soft spirals curl within the drifting vapor. From above, the neon cloud spreads evenly. The motion continues, smooth and calming. The intensity fades slightly, becoming softer. The bowl still glows quietly in the dark. Subtle bubbling continues within the neon liquid. The glass reflects blue light in silence. The camera slowly pulls back, revealing the studio. The neon reflections begin to dim. A final glow lingers before fading into black.